Hello everyone, today we're going to look at an After Effects tutorial, and today we're going to look at an animation preset by the name of Rotate Over Time. And what this preset does is once you apply it to an element, it rotates in a loop. So it will give you an animation like rotating a wheel or anything that rotates. This is the right preset to use for that animation. All right, very quick, very easy. So let me show you how to do it. All right, now first you're going to ensure that you select the element that you want to put it on. All right, or select the image is the same thing. All right, element, image, whatever. All right, so once you have select the image or the element that you want to add it to, you're going to go over here and you're going to go over to effects and presets. Then you're going to click the arrow, and this is the animation presets section. All right, then you're going to ensure that you're going to go down to behaviors. All right, once you click the arrow beside behaviors, you're going to scroll until you see rotate over time. And to apply a preset to an element, all you would have to do is drag and drop. All right, ensure that you see the little plus sign when you're dropping the preset on the element. All right, and as you can see, you will have the information or the information for the preset. All right, so if I press the space bar, you will see the motion. All right, now in order to speed up this motion, all you'd have to do is increase the value right here. So the value, the higher you go, it increases the speed of the animation. All right, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share.